Greetings, investor family. I am delighted to welcome you all today. I bring you positive news as there are indications that alternative coins are starting to experience a period of growth. You must comprehend that the growth phase is not rapid. It will commence slowly and smoothly and will only conclude in 2025. That is where our worldwide objectives will be. We will look at the capitalization of altcoins, we will look at the dominance of Bitcoin, and we will look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. Let's start with the capitalization of altcoins. Please be aware that if you are not currently a member of our Telegram, WhatsApp, or Twitter, you may have missed this important post. This is the latest update shared exclusively on our messaging platforms. I'll enlarge the screenshot. We observe a bullish pattern. An expanding wedge has formed on the altcoins market cap. We observe the wedge has been broken upwards. Breakout of the expanding wedge, top test, and continuation of growth for further upward trend. We may soon see a continuation of the growth in the capitalization of altcoins. This situation is the first signal that tells us that a growth phase is beginning in altcoins. Let's now take a look at Bitcoin dominance. I have already stretched the Fibonacci grid on Bitcoin dominance. We also have a descending trend line. We observe that the downtrend chart has nearly reached the correction level of 0.61.8. It has come very close to touching this descending line of the chart. And we can anticipate that it is from this point that Bitcoin dominance may begin to decrease. This downward trend will mean that liquidity is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins, and new liquidity is also coming from outside, which is flowing into altcoins, and we will see growth in altcoins. This is the second signal that tells us about it. If we examine the daily time frame, we observe the emergence of a double top pattern in this area. We identify the possibility of a decline. This is highly advantageous. This is the second signal. The third signal is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. Please pay attention to this chart. We see that here we have a descending trend line. We see that there was a false breakout upwards here, but now we see that this trend line is broken. This green candle, it signifies that liquidity is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins. And if we look at the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the chart has already broken through this line. We see this pattern here. This pattern indicates a continuation of growth, which in turn means that liquidity will flow from Bitcoins to altcoins, and therefore Ethereum will grow and all altcoins will grow. And I pleasantly anticipate that this is the beginning of a global rise for altcoins. This is wonderful. I am aware that numerous individuals anticipate the growth of XRP, and if you examine our messaging platforms, you will find a post dated May 21st in which we deliberated on XRP. XRP was also in a descending expanding wedge, broke out of this wedge, and we expect XRP to grow. When we see the growth of Ethereum and all altcoins, naturally, we will also see the growth of XRP. In our messengers, I will make posts about where we expect XRP to go, so I invite you to join our messengers and our Twitter. Links are in the description below the video. I hope the video was helpful to you. Stay tuned to the channel. We will continue to analyze the market and make profit from it. Until next time, dear friends.